Do you have a website disaster recovery plan? A website disaster recovery plan is a set of measures that are put in place to ensure the continuity of a website in the event of a disaster. There are a number of reasons why you should have one. Some of the key reasons include the continuity of business. If your website is down, it can impact your ability to do business. A disaster recovery plan can help you get your website back up and running as quickly as possible. The preservation of data. If your website is down, you could lose valuable data. A disaster recovery plan can help you to ensure that your data is preserved. The protection of customers. If your website is down, it could cause customers to lose faith in your company. If you don't have a website disaster recovery plan in place, now is the time to create one. Your plan should include a list of every task that needs completing and in which order to get your website back online. Then add information on how to reach everyone who is necessary for the recovery process, including their roles and responsibilities in connection with your strategy. This will become your new SOP, and you're ready to respond if the worst should happen.